Man, what's going on with y'all, gang? How y'all doing this AM? Well, it's AM now for me. I don't know what time it is when this video gonna drop, but it's actually like 8:21 for me. But hopefully I could go ahead and get to where I gotta get to so I go and get this footage, man. Like I told y'all, everything I drop ain't gonna be car content. I have to remember I am the content. I've been gone way too long, man. I ain't even in the algorithm no more. Hey man, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Help get your boy back in the algorithm. Cause when I tell you they took me out, ooh, they took your boy out the algorithm. It feel like the Matrix for real. Either you in or you out. Either you in or you out for real, for real. Right now, I ain't in the algorithm. Yeah, my videos is playing, but nah, they ain't showing them joints how they used to, Joe. So hey man, I need y'all to help me help you. Nah, but for real, man, help get your boy back in the algorithm. It's my fault. I took too long, took a break or whatever you have it, whatever you call it. You feel me? I was in between states. You feel me? I was moving. I was relocating. I had a lot going on. And on top of that, I should have made that content, but you feel me? I don't know. It was just too much at the time to try to do all of that with everything that was going on. But I say this to say that, like I was saying earlier, man, go check out my last video, man. It was October 1st. Octane and Coffee, man. Go check that out. I appreciate all the love and support. But we not done yet, man. We not done. I'm starting to get back in the flow of things. You know, find my rhythm since I done been out here in Georgia trying to balance between work and content and everything else in between. You feel me? So, hey, like I said, everything ain't going to be car content. But I'm about to take y'all somewhere. Come take this little trip with me, man. Straight up like that. So when I get to this location, man, I'm going to turn this camera back on, man. But y'all be smooth how y'all be smooth, man. Hey, go check out that last video, for real. If you seeing this video and you ain't go check out that last video, you dead wrong. You did wrong, man. Straight up, man. But I appreciate all the love and support. You feel me? I appreciate y'all, man. Each and last one of y'all new subscribers, returning subscribers, the people who just stopping by, and you feel me, just because they came across the channel, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, but y'all be smooth how y'all be smooth. And like I said, I'm gonna turn this camera back on once I get to this location. Okay. Make the crowd dance choreography. Once I got the plan, they don't stop me. 3 o'clock garage, me and Dr. Crib with a phone, it's right on top of me. A lot of people that say I won't be shit, well I guess they gon' be in apology. These ain't no gas jeans. I try to school, I'm still in the mad when nigga don't text me. I play to the left, they went to the right, they try to finesse me. Chillin' around with that big out there.
I need a ride to go down and start up. I hope you can handle the station, babe, cause you gotta drive it. Try to fight it. This is nobody's way with fiction. I'm on islands, open them bushes. My shit in the endorse it. I'm no stylist, I don't know where these. I got money, bitch, I'm this deep. All in this drip, it's 60. My top that feels like free me. No mileage, boy, you can touch this. There's no bodies, boy, don't fuck shit. I'm on islands, open them bushes. My shit in the endorse it. Ain't touch this, I'm bitch, sleepy on that fuck shit. Put a nigga that's hate disgusting. The only thing my words that clutch, bitch, I'm like, where your mind is, drop a pen, what's supporting it. You might have a fortune, but you lose me, you still won't be misfortunate. Nigga, tell me, this love's got you just fucked up in the head. You want some random bitch up in your bag. She don't even know you in the bed. Hey, open up. You want break? Oh yeah, I'll get this one right here. Side, yo. You been flipping my mind, lately, I've been feeling it. Side, yo. I'm the person who called me, you feel it. Side, yo. This bitch make me let's cry, you know. Boy, this all in your mind, you know. I'm ready to go, you mind, you know. Everything you run like a fly, you know. I feel like it's way too late to say goodbye. I feel like you're fucking with my mind, you know. Lose mine, you know. Do every weekend. Hey, see what these guys with me, right? Went to the club with the DJ. Told me, I'm sorry, we didn't talk like, no. Until the song come up, say you been up. But I feel like you ain't been wrong, you know. You know what? I feel like you ain't been close, you know. I don't even remember what I said, so don't you ask me. Whatever keep you happy, don't take this shit to heart. Cause we was in a moment, but that shit stay in the dark. The way I put it on, you got your body. Take side when it's 5 in the morning. Keep the ice when I ride this car. All they do is keep calling. You know it's a vibe, going all night. Put me in a night, tell me stay side. Oh baby, it's a vibe, going all night. Put me in a night, tell me stay side. Y'all crazy when I talk when we fucking. But crazy cause I ain't had nothing when I be talking to fucking. Wasn't nothing else in a discussion. I fuck you like it was our last time. I know it's what's I said that I love, but you might just experience your way and tell you nobody gon' fuck you like me. Bet you turn around, you think I'm gonna look me in my eyes and say it's my right.
So after that wild roller coaster ride on my way to where we was headed to, it hit different, man. Boy, I almost thought we was finna fly off the cliff the way they was driving, man. But hey, we made it though. So hey, I'm gonna turn this camera back on once we start. Yeah, hey man, you know we on some Dora the Explorer shit today, man. We finna go hiking, Joe. I got my book bag on. Just hold on. So as soon as we get in here, I'm gonna turn this camera back on. So let's go see what we got going on. I got my movie maker with me today. Yesterday it had died on me, so we gonna, oh, check this out. We're gonna take this little, I told y'all we was finna go on my Dora the Explorer. We going camping today. Let's check this little, man, if I would have had this gizmo with me yesterday, oh, that video would have been so much better, but it's cool though. I don't want to miss nothing. So we're going to start all the way at the back of the fence. And jump out here in this water on my Crocodile Dundee shit. I wonder... yeah, let y'all see this wonderful view. So anyway, gang, hey, okay, we about to go ahead and get started, man. I appreciate all y'all, man. We finally made it to the location like I was saying earlier. But I don't want y'all to miss none of this. Just check it out. Oh, hold on. There we go. There we go. You know what? I might need that picture later on for a thumbnail. Let's go ahead. What kind of shoes you got on, man? Okay, I'm just making sure you got on some hiking shoes. Oh. So this a whole little pathway for real, for real. No fishing, no hiking. Oh, so we can only stay on the path. Or do we get off the path? I wonder. Hold on. Let's see. No, I'm doing what they said not to do. I'm doing exactly what them people said not to do. What that is right there. I want a little history. Whoa. Oh, y'all probably can't see that because of the sun. There we go. Alright. We ain't come here to look at no rocks or nothing. Don't you start acting crazy on me. Get it together. Yo, this thing is so much smoother, man. The other day at the car show, it had died on me, but I'm done talking, man. We just gonna listen to this water and enjoy the scenery, man. Oh, wow. If this wasn't the quickest mission ever, and just like that. Oh, hey, okay, hold on real quick. See, now I gotta try to make this a little bit longer than what I thought it was gonna be. Come on. This is the scenery. Dang, so this is where we came to. I really didn't want to get the picture. This can't be all of it. This really can't. That's crazy. Dang. Hey, that's crazy. This can't be all of it. Ain't no way this is all of it. You mean to tell me I done drove 2 hours and 30 minutes? No, you gotta be able to get down here or something. You just have to. Ain't no way. Yeah, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm all down here in the wood. Hold on. Wait a minute, let me get it together. Oh, that's crazy. There's gotta be a way. People must swim in this water. How do people? Hold on, gang. I'm finna see if I can get closer. So, anyway, gang, I gotta try to figure out how to get myself back up. I done got as low to this water as I could possibly get. You see? This view is crazy though, man. I just really thought it was gonna be more to this. I really did. The drive down here took longer. That's why I'm trying to. This can't be it. No, this can't be it. I ain't tried to touch the water, but I'm gonna try to get. That's crazy. I'm finna try to get somewhere else so I can see. what's on that other side. So we found the little pathway, but that ain't really, I'm trying to get, I gotta get, hold on now, don't you start acting funny. Find a little pathway. Oh. Oh, let's see what's up here. I don't think I came up here. Or did I start off up here? Is that another path? Oh, it is. It's muddy though. Let me get down from up here. I don't know what I done got myself into. Told you we was going hiking. Oh. I know people be well, man, I ain't even gonna hold y'all, gang. I really thought it was more to this than what it was. I really did, but with all in all, it's still a beautiful sight though. Man, I really want to walk across there. Hold on, I really want to walk across there and get on them rocks. I wish I could get to the other side. I really do. Dang, I really wish let me see something, man. I'm gonna see if I can get over there before I get up out of here. I'm not. Cause let me see. Let me zoom in, cause if I zoom in, one more time for the one more, them rocks is wet. I ain't got time to be slipping and falling. They wet, that means they got algae on it. Them things are slippery. But anyway, man, I thought this was gonna be something. I thought this was gonna be something different, but it's something else though. But I ain't even gonna hold y'all, man. Probably gonna make this the end of the video, cause I thought this was something else. Yup, I really did. But like I said, it's still a good view for what it was. I told y'all, give me a second. I was finna figure out how to get to that other side, so just hold on real quick. I think I see something. Just give me a second. I don't know. My legs ain't that big. I don't think I could jump and make it to that rock. See, it's really a distance from here to there, and I don't want to fall, slip, or miss. But I want to know if I go from there to there to there. Hold on, we gonna see. We done made it to the other side. Ooh wee, but like I said, oh, is it really a path? Let's just see. Hold on, let's just see. Oh shit, gang, we here. We here. So yeah, I wonder. Hold on. Let's just see. See, this stuff too slippery. See? Yup. Nope. Nope. Yup, that's it, gang. Now I gotta figure out how to get my ass back. Oh yeah. Damn. Oh, this the hard part because it's slippery. Oh, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? Oh, doom. Oh, what was I thinking? Yeah, I know for a fact people be going over there. Alright. Back through here. Okay. Back this way. Okay. Now, the tricky part. How do I get back? Alright, man. I don't know how I did this one, gang. Oh. I could go down there because there's more rocks. But this looks like the only place to really cross at. So I gotta remember, how did I get over here? How did I do this? Okay. All right. I'm trying to remember. Did I come from this? Phone down before I drop it. So I'll be with y'all in a second. So look, before we get on up out of here, then found some history. I'm gonna zoom in on that so y'all can read that. That's crazy. So anyway, gang, we done took our little nature walk and our little hike. Now we about to go and get on up out of here. See, that's why, look, they had me thinking it was so much more. They ain't left 39 dead and 60 injured. And then they built the college. On top of the property. So I thought, you know, we was really finna go hiking, gang. I really thought we was finna go hiking, but that wasn't the case. But we finna just go take us a little walk, man. Y'all pretty much go see the same thing y'all seen as I came in. But that was crazy though. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. I really thought we was finna go on a scavenger hunt, man. But that wasn't the case, Joe. It was a quick little 2 minute. It wasn't even 2 minutes. It wasn't. Oh, those must be the people that passed away when they was building this. Yeah, I thought we was really finna go hiking, man. But that was not the case. Oh, let me get back over. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all can see the wood. I'm sorry.
Quit kicking.
Oh, Lord. You want to sit on a piece of history? Come on, let's get on up out of here. Let me see that ass one more time.
This is a great day, baby.
Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment. Oh, look at this big ass spider. Oh, y'all can't even see it. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Y'all can't even see it. Damn. That spider web, and then it's another one. Do y'all? It is though. That spider web big as hell. It is a little.
Spider that's in it?
Nah.
Spider that was
No, but anyway, man, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good shit, man. I appreciate the love and support. Like I told y'all, man, every video I drop ain't gonna be a car content video. Ain't no telling what I got going on or what's gonna transpire. I done figured it out. Now I'm trying to get the flow of things and the motion of things. My bad, I left y'all, the ones that's still here. I appreciate y'all new to the channel. I appreciate y'all and just stopping by to stop by one time for the one time. I appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good shit, man. And like I said, Joe, the only way is up. We gonna keep on getting this footage one way or another. I appreciate y'all. Gang.